go. You want some more zucchini? Yum yum. Yummy zucchini. Yummy. Oh, this is the first time you've had zucchini. Or if you want to be posh, pureed courgette there. Is it good? You look like you prefer playing with it on the table. Want some more? Yeah. Ready? No? You just want to play with it on the table. That looks nice. Oh, let's have some more. Zucchini. Yummy. Go on. Yummy. Look, Mummy has some. Your turn. Your turn. Yay! Clever girl. It's good. Whoop. Catch that bit. Yummy. It's got some rice porridge in there too. Come on, you have some more. Good girl. Yummy. This is a nice little picture you've got going. Yeah. More zucchini? Yum yum. Go. Yum yum. Go. Ready, go. That's it. Yeah. Gotta keep it in. Not too fast on zucchini, hey? I don't know, it's pretty good, I think. Pretty good for a first effort. Whee! Yeah, it's good, isn't it? It's good. Yes, some more. Oh, no, come back out again. Ready? Yeah? Want more? You have more? More, Mummy? Zoom zoom. Zoom zoom. Ready? Go. Open. Aww. Whoops. Alright. I think that's pretty clear. Alright.